Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, softwares and training courses, and of course anything that will help you make money online. Today I have yet another amazing product review for a product called KonPod. And KonPod is going live on the 28th of May 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. Of course, that time will be 5 p.m. Central European Time, and of course 4 GMT UK time. And in a nutshell, this one is going to be pushed out there by two of my friends, Amit Gaikwad and Anil Bavra. And in a nutshell, this is a software that is going to help you futuristically create limitless high-quality SEO optimized, unique Neil Patel-styled content and studio-quality podcasts for you, for your niche blogs, business websites, article sites, backlinks in just 60 seconds. Actually, it helps you captivate your visitors, get higher traffic, boost search engine ranks, and of course turn leads into buyers without wasting time or money writing a single word yourself. It's a crazy one. It's one that is giving you business in a box, and for this reason I will encourage you, if this is going to be for you, to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely give you access. Okay, now the idea for this is that you are going to have to access this when the product goes active, and that should be by tomorrow, the 28th of May 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, now with that said, I am going to have to also show you the bonus that I have for you, and of course show you through the dashboard area of this amazing software, the members area, the software itself. Okay, and of course, like I told you before, show you through the amazing sales page so that you can see how and what you stand to gain with this one. With that said, let us actually go properly into reviewing this one. It is one product that will help you make money online, podcasting, turning ordinary YouTube videos, viral YouTube videos into podcasts for your any niche of your choice online. And of course, you know what that means, having to automate and generate blogs for whatever niche out there, and inside these blogs you'll be able to embed your affiliate link or any link you have there, as long as making money online is concerned. Okay, and it has this SEO optimization capability that will help you do all these things in one whole arrangement that will bring everything integrated for you, making things work out for you as long as this product is concerned. So with that said, if you get here on my bonus page, you will always be able to click any of these links or this white one here on top. When you arrive on my bonus page, from the link in my description area, you'll be able to grab a copy for you. Okay, and now before I go further, let me also remind you that if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to definitely like, comment, share this video, and of course subscribe to my channel and use the bell button for notifications. And now let us actually see exactly what I have for you, as long as the pricing for this one is concerned, after which I'll show you my amazing bonuses for this product. Now the front end goes for $17 for KonPod, and upgrade number 1, which is the unlimited version, very advisable to get this as well, so that if there is any limitations on the front end, definitely there may be, you'll be able to cover that up with this unlimited upgrade number 1 version of the front end. Now the OTO, the upgrade number 2 will be $197, and that should be the done for you. And here you have the upgrade number 3, $97, upgrade number 4, $167, upgrade number 5, $97, and upgrade number 6, $67. All these other ones are optional. Of course, if you want everything done for you, this will definitely be what you need to get. And of course, you know what that means, automating this on your website and creating optimized contents and all that is good for e-commerce, affiliate marketing, any of those things that will help you create amazing content online using other people's video, which this very capability is able to turn to your own without writing a single word or saying a single word yourself. So it's really amazing. It helps you convert any YouTube video into a fully formatted unique blog post, brand new AI technology to create 100% SEO optimized and plagiarism free content in just 3 clicks. Also convert any existing YouTube video into engaging podcast in just 3 clicks. I mean, this is wonderful. This is very well thought out, and of course, you know what that means. Fully cloud-based, so nothing to download or install. Newbie friendly, easy to use, with no coding or writing skill. Limited time commercial license included to provide top-notch services. Get started today for a flow one-time investment, and of course, no monthly fees, and you have 30-day money-back guarantee on this one. That takes care of the pricing for this very product. Now, let us see the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. Now, this is the first bonus from me. This is prepared by my mentor, Armstrong. Access lockdown formula. That's number one. Number 2 will be access mobility course. Mobility course is a training, a bonus training tutorial that is going to help you know how to make money using your mobile phone. You don't have to touch your desktop or tablet, just your mobile phone, and you see the hacks that you need to start making money even as early as today. Bonus number 3 will be how to build a website for dummies. Another insane way to build websites, even if you don't know anything about website creation. So, and now my bonus number 4 will be Nova, which is only for the first 12 hours. After this launch, 12 hours, you have access to Nova to show you the importance of this. I think it has to do with giving you traffic from TikTok, and you'll be able to harness this traffic using this very tutorial. Okay, so that's amazing. And now you have all the vendor bonuses as my bonus number 5, and you'll be able to access those on the dashboard area. And now, with that said, if you arrive here and use this button, it will definitely take you to the sales page where you will be able to purchase this product using any of the similar top links there, like this one. When you click that, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you check out from this product. And when you do, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this, with this button giving you access to KonPod, and here you have this one blue giving you access to these amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. You have access to my email address in case there is anything. And with that said, we have just wrapped up the very bonus page of mine, and at your convenience, when you arrive here, you can cool down and read through. Now let us see the very dashboard area. This is the dashboard. This is the setting, the project, the YouTube podcasts, scheduler, transcripts, and this is your account, manage clients, and all that. So you will be able to have the training that you need to actually set this one up and begin to make money from the word go. Okay, so you have basically everything you want on this one, and we will not waste a lot of time here, because you go through the training and be able to subject this to your own use. Of course, that means getting the contents you need on your blog pages or whatever you have out there. You'll be able to make money using this one. Now, let us see the sales page together and see what this one requires us to go through. Of course, you can see you have all these capabilities that I have read out for you already on my bonus page, and you can always repeat this at your convenience. When you get here, you'll be able to go through this, at your pace, and be able to get all the information you need. If making up your mind on this one is a problem, but I can assure you, Amit Gaikwad and Anirudh Bavra, they are one of the best creators that I have ever reviewed their products for. So I know what I'm talking about. In any case, you will be able to access this very information at your convenience when you eventually arrive at this sales page yourself. And for that reason, we will definitely try to wrap up this one, and I will make sure that I come back to you with the next review. Probably that should be by Sunday or Monday, but for now, let us see if we can locate any of the amazing amazing bonuses from the vendor. Otherwise, we will call it a day, because definitely those will be waiting for you on the very members area of the software itself. Okay, so like I told you before, this is where we are going to get through with this one. Okay, and you'll be able to have access to this at your own convenience. When you do, this product will be yours using this link or any of these other purple links scattered here. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you once more to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. Okay? I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me from here. Goodbye, guys.